For the third set of movement, I want to work on the spine. So have your hands on the top of the pelvis. Gently nudge your pelvis forward. You will feel yourself arching back a little bit and release. Again, gentle nudge forward. Naturally, you arch back a wee bit and release. Again, a couple more times. And one more. Now from here, pelvis forward, naturally arch back here, and then curl forward and pelvis back. Again, pelvis forward, arch back, and curl forward, pelvis back. To be more specific, pelvis forward, spine arch back, spine curl forward, pelvis goes back. Again. This should be quite intuitive. So after a while, just let it go and let your body move to it, which is what we're going to do now. It will start to ripple. And a couple more times. I'm taking longer to do this because I know the body takes time to get into the ripple motion and we need to allow that. And if we don't feel we get it right away, it's okay. Just keep doing because there are actually no specific counts to this movement, okay? So what I want to do is go through it one more set. And start rippling. Arching your spine, curling the spine. Pelvis forward, pelvis back. And let it all go. Let's do 4 more. 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Release, let your arms hang down, chest towards the ceiling, pelvis forward, and come back up. And from here, we're still on high kneeling, okay? So right here, we're going to start to move to one side and note that my pelvis is moving outside of my leg. In this case, my pelvis is trying to sit outside of my right leg here. Coming back up. And do the same to the other side. Pelvis try to sit outside of my left leg now. And go. 2 more on each side. And 1 more on each side. And from here, you're going to bring one leg out and have your toes pointing to the side. You're just going to let your hips drop towards the leg that is open to the side, this way. And if you feel a little bit of pinch in your knees, maybe then you avoid this movement totally or just fold up the mat and pad up. See if it works with the padding. If it doesn't, then you avoid this movement totally, okay? And one more. This really extend and lengthen the adductor muscles here, which is what we want. And we are doing it from the hip joints. So it is releasing and strengthening at the same time. Okay, to the other side. And go. Sit onto your hips. So you're stretching it this way, and actually you're also releasing the groin muscles here on the opposite side. A few more times. And one last time. And release. Okay, and from here, whoops, you're going to curl your toes under and sit on it for a while. The toes need mobility too. So I think I better show it to you from the side. Sit on it. Come to a high kneeling again. Tuck your toes under and sit. High kneeling again. Tuck your toes, curl your toes and sit. I always like to end the movement series doing more dynamic moves. This is more dynamic because there is more changes in each movement. Changes in the position. And just a couple more times. Last time. And from here, classic side stretch. Lengthen out the body. Do an active stretching to finish. Feeling nice, long, released, and more fluid in the body. Look diagonally up and release. Let's do it this way for 4 more times here. And again, bend. The last 2 times, I want us to pulse so that we try to stretch deeper. And go 1, 2, 3, and stretch the deepest 4. Again, one more time. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Come back, change. And go. Hold it there for a bit first. And release. Again. Let's do one more time like that. Last 2 sets, we're going to pulse to go deeper into this active stretch. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Release. One last set here. And go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And release. Okay. So that is all I have for this video. Leave me any questions in the section below. I'd love to hear from you. Give me any feedback or response you may have. Else, I hope you like and subscribe because that would really motivate me to do more content to help people with mobility, to give useful tips on how to improve mobility. And it will also help me very much to grow my small channel, which I really, really hope to grow and have your support in. With that said, like and subscribe. Keep moving, keep getting better. Movement is the best form of self-care, so please keep moving, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Meanwhile, if you'd like to stay with me, we'll finish up with rolling like a ball here.
Movement has been my form of self-care for over 20 years, and I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.